Hello future engineers, here is another video in structural analysis about analysis of statically indeterminate beams, and in this video I'm going to present the three moment equations in analyzing the beam shown. So by three moment equations, determine the external reactions at B, support downward movements at B 8 mm, at C 5 mm, at D 3 mm, at E 9 mm, and also E rotates 0.002 radian counterclockwise. Modulus of elasticity of the beam is 200 gigapascals and moment of inertia is 600 times 10 to the fourth. So that means EI is 120,000 kilonewton meter square. So here is the beam, the corresponding deflections. We have rotation at E, deflection, downward deflection at B, 8 mm, at C, 5 mm, at D, 3 mm, at E, 9 mm, plus this rotation of 0.002. So first, let's compute moment at B. It is negative 28 times 2 times 1. So it is negative 56. Then we apply three moment equation on spans BCD. So we have negative 56 times 8. Imagine that we have a strip here. This is X in the calculation of 6 area 1A over I1 L1, or in this case L1 only because moment of inertia is constant. So BCD negative 56. By the way, when we establish the three moment equation on portions DE E prime later, we note that if this is the final position of E, D is above E by 6 mm, where 6 mm is 9 minus 3. So it is above by 6 mm, support D. In addition to that, because there is a slope of 0.002 radians, so the additional uh, this distance from the horizontal line through E to the end of the tangent at E is slope 0.002 times 6. So that would be 0.012 mm. Then 0.012 mm, 0.002 times 6 plus 0.006, which is the vertical distance of final support D relative to E, that's 6 mm, 9 minus 3. So that's why it is 0.018 mm. So meaning the support D above the support E is 0.018 mm. So this serves as the reference line at E when we establish three moment equation. So again, for BCD, we have negative 56 times 8 plus 2 times MC. That is how to change the support at E by three moment equation. We first uh, consider or replace it by an interior pin and another pin so that at E prime the moment is 0. But at E, it is an interior support, there is moment. So negative 56 times 8 times plus 2 times quantity MC times quantity 8 plus 4, then plus, because we have to evaluate 6 area 1A over L1, So it is integral from 0 to 5 of 28 dx times a, which is x, all over L, which is 8, quantity 8 square minus x square, 0 to 5. Then 6 area 2b over L2 is 28 times 2 over 4, quantity 4 square minus 2 square, equals 6 EI, 6 times 120,000 EI, times quantity, the reference is at C, reference horizontal line. This drops by 5 mm, but B drops 8 mm. So that means B, support B is 3 mm below the reference horizontal line at C. So we have negative 0.003 over L1, which is length of BC, 8. Then D is above the horizontal line through C, because this is 3 mm, this is 5 mm, so D is 2 mm above C. So that's why we have here plus 0.002 meter 2 mm divided by 4. Simplifying, by the way, this value is 2253.125, and combined with the other values, we have 24 mc plus 4 md equals negative 1,883.125. Call that equation 1. We then establish three moment equation on CDE. So moments at C times 4 plus 2 times MD, quantity 4 plus 6 plus ME times 6 plus 28 times 2 over 4 times quantity 4 square minus 2 square, then plus 7 over 60, formula for 6 area 2B over L2 at the loaded end when the load is triangular and it occupies the entire span is 7 over 60 WL cube, W6 cube, equals 6 EI, 6 times 120,000 times quantity. So the reference horizontal line this time is at D. C is below horizontal line through D by 2 mm. That's why we have negative 0.002 meter divided by 4. D is also E is also below the reference horizontal line at D by 6 mm, and 6 mm below is negative 0.006 divided by 6. Simplifying, 4 mc plus 20 md plus 6 me equals negative 2155.2. Call that equation 2. Finally, in CEE prime, the reference is this E. So as I said, this reference tangent, supposedly horizontal line, would be this distance. So D is above this reference tangent, this reference supposedly in three-moment equation, 0.018 meter D. But E, because this is very close, there's no settlement. This is E, then this is E prime. So it's just 0. So that is MD times 6 plus 2 times ME times quantity 6 plus 0 plus moment at E prime 0 plus W 8 over 60, 6 area 1A over L1 here for this triangular load. 8 over 60 W 36 L cube, then equals 6 EI times quantity. As I said, D is above this reference line at E by 0.018, so 0.018 over 6. There's no relative displacement between E and E prime transferred here. Oh, so that's why it's 0. Simplifying, 6MD plus 12ME equals 1,123.2. Solving equations 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously, we obtain MC equals negative 53.944 kilonewton meter, MD negative 147.119 kilonewtons meter, and ME is positive 167.16 kilonewton meter. We then apply moment at C, which is, because this is negative, so it is uh, clockwise at C as shown. Then we consider portion ABC. We cut just to the left of C. Summation moment about C, so the shear there is not involved. So BY, or yes, BY times 8 plus 53.944 equals 28 times 7. The moment arm is 3.5 plus 3, so 6.5. So BY times 8 plus 53.944 equals 28 times 7 times 6.5. From here, Bx is 0, so we just automatically put the answers. Bx 0, By is 152.507 kilonewton. So that's it for this video.